The trim function allows you to trim objects to the edge of other objects. This function is very helpful to modify a piece of geometry using as a reference the boundary edges of other geometry. Let's see how this works. So first I need to click on the trim icon. Then I have to select the cutting edges. In this case, I select only the segment and I confirm by doing a right click with the mouse. Now I can click on the segments that I want to trim using the previous selection as my boundary edge. So if I click on these lines, Dibac will automatically trim them to the cutting edge. Now this time I'm going to select two entities to be the cutting edges. I right click to exit the function and undo the trims that I have just done. I click on the trim icon again, and this time I select these two lines. Now I have to do a right click to confirm the cutting edges. As you can see, the order and the place where I click will matter. Dibac will trim the section of the segment that I click on to the boundary of the closest cutting edges. In this example, I'm going to cut these circles in two different sections using these two segments as cutting edges. So after activating the trim function, I click on both lines and right click to confirm these cutting edges. Now if I want to keep this section, I would need to click on this part of the circle and it will automatically be trimmed. I can do a double right click to restart the trim function and select these two lines to be the cutting edges. I right click to confirm and then I click in this section of the circle to trim it.